Hello there, and welcome back to the channel with me, British person enjoying life and the food here in Monterrey, as well as, of course, the rest of Mexico too. Now, as you can see, Don Chuy is the place behind me. Now, I've yet to try their barbacoa and menudo. Not really sure on menudo, but I must try it out for the sake of the channel. But yeah, in Saturday mornings and Sunday mornings, and tomorrow of course is Sunday morning, then this place which I used to come to for my lunchtime victuals, some of the dishes that they would serve, which were wonderful, but for some reason they stopped doing them. I don't know why. Maybe not so many people came other than me, I'm not sure. But yeah, tomorrow is barbacoa time across the whole of Nuevo Leon, especially here in Monterrey. And barbacoa is slow-cooked beef, either the cheek, cachete, lengua, the tongue, and various other parts of the cow that you generally don't eat. And it's cooked, steamed for hours or more. I don't know, like 6 hours of cooking time, 8 hours or more, to kind of produce the most succulent and incredible beef that anybody could imagine. The best barbacoa I've ever had was in the state of Hidalgo, and it was lamb or mutton, and that was just incredible. Barbacoa de res is that tradition of Nuevo Leon. Everybody gets it on a Sunday morning. It's like a ritual. It's incredible how it's so popular. It's just part of the culture, part of life here in Monterrey and Nuevo Leon. It's only 210 pesos for a half kilo of barbacoa with tortillas, salsas, and much more to make the experience so great. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Those buttons down below are those you can click. Thanks for watching. See you soon.